Hello, today you're looking at a Hendor 1,000 gallon per hour horizontal disc filter brought to you by Lanco. This unit is roughly 32 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 48 inches tall. You can see it has a pressure gauge here. This is Polypro Construction with a built-in slurry tank, nice little feature. On the back you can see there's PVC plumbing. Over here we have replaced the bearings on the motor. We have a mag drive pump on it. We've tested this over here at Lanco. We'll turn it on for you so you can hear it run. Pressure's building. Real quiet unit. If you're interested in this filter, give us a call, 616-887-8300, or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.